Let's go over question number 4. Again, volume can be found by the product of the dimensions, length times width times height. When I look at this rectangular prism, I see that the length is 10 centimeters, so I put 10 in place of L. I see that the width is 5 centimeters, so I put that in place of W. And the height is 2. It's only 2 centimeters tall. It's flatter and longer this time than the last question that we had. That 2 is the height, so I put that in for H. Now I'm going to multiply. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 times 2 is 100. So the volume is 100 cubic centimeters, or we could write that the volume equals 100 centimeters cubed. Again, you picture what a Rubik's Cube looks like, all those blocks, all those cubes that would be filling up this space. This is, it looks kind of like the shape of a Kleenex box, maybe, one of those bigger, longer boxes, or a cracker box on its side or something. But we don't see all the cubes. So you have to picture that when we take 5 times 10, the number of cubes on one layer, 10 times 5, 50. There'd be 50 cubes on this bottom layer. And then we look at how many layers tall it is. And since it's a real short box, only 2 centimeters tall, so it's only 2 layers tall. 2 of those 50s is 100. So either way you think about it, justifying it with how many cubes are on one layer times the total layers, or if you trust the formula, which you should, but just to make sense of it, the layers help. Length times width times height, multiplying those 3 dimensions on a rectangular image like this or object will find the volume, 100 cubic centimeters.